Welcome to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I just wanted to come on here because I haven't seen any videos about Iowa gardening. Okay, with all the snow we're getting, this terrible weather, spring trying to peek out, and then the snow hits again. I'm tired of it, but I'm ready to garden. I've already started seedlings inside with beans and watermelon, a bunch of other things. But first, I want to show you guys what we use in our garden. So first, we have seed starting mix. This is Burpee's seed starting mix. Hopefully you guys can see that. This here is really good. I tried Jiffy. It didn't work for me. We also have Burpee's natural vermiculite. And this is my own mix. I mix everything together. Then I use Schultz Perlite. Hope you guys can see that. And last but not least, Dr. Earth's organic, homegrown, handcrafted blend. Now, the soil I've been using is pretty good. It's really good. It's black. Has great nutrients in it. Let's see if you guys can see this. Nature's Care organic and natural potting mix. Love it. It's the best so far that I've used. I've used other Miracle Grow products, but this one by far has been really good. It's been on sale at the big box store, $2. Nice. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys my small raised bed, fabric raised bed that I've got, and I'm going to mix everything in. We'll start with the soil and put everything else in there, the perlite, the fertilizer, the seed starting mix, and the vermiculite. It's going to turn out like that. Okay, I got one hand. All right, so today I think I'm just going to plant some onion and garlic, possibly, and see how that goes for now. And then I'll update you guys. This is just the intro, and I'll update you guys again on when I plant something else. Many blessings.